This is called Here Comes the Flood. When the night shows, the signals grow on radios. All the strange things, they come and go as early warnings. Stranded starfish have no place to hide, still waiting for the swollen Easter tide. There's no point in direction, we cannot even choose a side. I took the old track, the hollow shoulder, across the waters. On the tall cliffs, they were getting older, sons and daughters. The jaded underworld was riding high. Waves of steel hurled metal at the sky. And as the nails sunk in the cloud, the rain was warm and soaked the crowd. Lord, here comes the flood. We'll say goodbye to flesh and blood. If again the seas are silent and he's still alive, it'll be those who gave their island to survive. Drink up, dreamers, you're running dry. Again, the seas are silent and he's still alive. It'll be those who gave their island to survive. Drink up, dreamers, you're